Hey, today on Shoe Saturday, got the Air Jordan 4 Retro White and Black Tour. Let's get into it. Hey sneaker enthusiasts, welcome back to Shoe Saturday. I'm Sydney Tarver, and today we diving in the world of one of the most iconic sneakers, the Air Jordan Retro 4 Black and White Yellow Tour. Get ready to lace up and unleash your inner basketball legend with these legendary kicks. I'm about to put these on and cross somebody over right now, I promise. I'm about to come put these on and cross you over right now. Them look crazy. Look at that, that's simply amazing. Let's get into the history of greatness. Let's start off by paying homage to the rich heritage of the Air Jordan 4 White and Black Tour Yellow. I don't know when they came out, but they came out sometime. These sneakers represent a milestone in the Air Jordan lineage, bearing the name of the legendary Michael Jordan himself. The Air Jordan 4 became an instant classic. Look at them. They fly. The Air Jordan 4 became an instant classic, captivating sneakerheads with its innovative design and unrivaled performance. These kicks have witnessed unforgettable moments on the court, and they continue to test the time as a symbol of greatness. Striking color combination. Prepare to turn heads with the striking combination of the Air Jordan 4 Retro Black, White, Yellow Tour. The mix of black, white, and tour yellow creates a visually appealing challenge. The contrasting hues and bold, energetic vibe add extra flair to the sneaker game. Whether you own the court or hit in the streets, these kicks ensure you stand out in the crowd with every step. Unmatched performance and comfort. The Air Jordan 4 Retro Black White Tour not only brings the style out, but also delivers exceptional performance on it, featuring responsive cushioning and superb ankle support. These sneakers provide you with stability and comfort you need to dominate your competition. You can make gravity-defying leaps and swift cuts with confidence. You know I got a mean Euro step. I didn't know if I told y'all that or not, but that's just a little known side fact. My Euro step. Tell her to keep these ad-libs because my Euro step is nasty. She need to keep that. Appreciate you. Beyond the performance aspects, these kicks prioritize comfort, ensuring that your feet feel like they're walking on clouds, even during intense matches or long days. Legendary style. These sneakers aren't just for basketball fanatics, they're a fashion statement that transcends the game. The Air Jordan Retro 4 Black and White Tour comes with a mean sportswear and a streetwear style, making it a must-have for sneaker enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals. These are people who can dress, not for y'all people who gonna put this with a Pittsburgh Steelers jersey on. No, I'm not talking to y'all. We're not talking to y'all. We talking to the real steppers out there, man. You know what I'm talking about. My boy, shout out my boy Prince Juice and them. Yeah, putting it on every day. From rocking them with your favorite jeans to pairing them with stylish streetwear, these kicks elevate any outfit to a whole nother level of coolness. With the Air Jordan Retro 4 White Tour on your feet, you'll feel the spirit of MJ himself, exuding with style and confidence. In conclusion, the Air Jordan Retro 4 is a true masterpiece, embodying the legacy of Michael Jordan with the spirit of basketball greatness. Whether you're a diehard fan of the game or simply appreciate legendary sneakers, these kicks deserve a special place in your collection. Thank you for joining us on Shoe Saturday, where we celebrate the artistry, the passion, with a touch of humor. We do this for a sport, man. I wear these shoes for a sport. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into these fits. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll unravel another exciting pair that'll leave you itching to hit the court in the streets. This is Sydney Tarver signing off. Catch you next week. And oh yeah, stay fly at all times, man. There we go. We got it. I'm in shoe heaven.